Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I will tell you how to set automatic cleanup and empty recycle bin automatically on your Windows 11. By enabling this feature, your recycle bin will be get empty on its own automatically after a fixed duration, and you can also see that your performance of PC will get increased. So for doing this, you have to go to Windows icon in the taskbar and right click over it and click on settings. After you click on settings, here you will see on the left side system option. You have to click on system. After you click on system, then on the right side you will see different option: display, sound, notification, focus, power and battery. You have to go to storage and click on the storage. After you click on the storage, you will be able to see that here your all storage uses and all details you will be able to see. Here you can see an option called storage sense. You have to enable this. After enabling this, it will automatically free up space and delete temporary files for you and will manage all the locally available cloud content of your PC. You have also here cleanup recommendation that you can see. You can delete those files as per your own choice. Like I will show you here in temporary files. I have this much 3 GB data of downloads that it's recommending me to delete, and we will move further where I will tell you after enabling storage sense you have to go to storage sense, click over it. There you can see different options. You have to tick mark this particular option. In this, keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up your temporary files. Here in the one storage sense option, you have to set any particular duration that you can set so that it automatically gets cleaned. Your PC gets automatic cleanup services as per a fixed duration, like I have selected to every week. Below you can select the recycle bin, the time duration you want that recycle bin should get empty. You have different option like download folders also, where you can select the duration when download folder should get automatically empty. All download files should get deleted. You can select as per your choice. I have set it to default. You can also run storage sense manually so that it will automatically detect and delete the miscellaneous files. Thanks for watching this video.